Hey, it's Yvonne. Just a little reminder or tutorial if you're new to eBay. In your seller hub, when you go to active listings, we can customize this screen. You can move these columns. Hello. Yes, you can move these columns around. You can customize what you want to show, and over here you can use this to arrange where you want it to show up at, and then save. So sometimes by default there are things that you wish would be on here, like every once in a while when they do an upgrade, for some reason my photo column will disappear, and I like that in there. So you can arrange these however you want. Again, you can do this and change the size of the column, and let me scroll up a little bit. I have quite a few columns on mine. I just reset it, so I need to go in and move these the way I want to and make them smaller. But I added like the shipping cost, I wanted to see that, the duration, of course, things like that. So just letting you know if you had forgotten, or if your thing got wonked up in the last upgrade, which sometimes happens. So that's all for that tutorial today. Talk to you guys later. I hope this was helpful.